Hello and welcome back. Today, we're fixing a 43-inch LG TV model 43UM7100PLB. The TV power's on, we have sound and backlight, but no picture. Almost always, this problem is caused by the panel itself. Let's open it up and take a look inside. Warning: high voltage. TV repair can be dangerous. Do not attempt if you are not experienced. Work at your own risk. I'll start by disconnecting the right side flex cable to see if there's any change in the panel's behavior. Disconnecting the cable didn't change anything. The screen is still blank. I'll plug the right cable back in, and then try the left one, to see if that's where the fault is. Still no picture, but now we have some activity on one half of the panel. I'm going to use the tape method to block some of the clock signals. I'll cut a small strip of tape, about 1 centimeter wide, just enough to cover the first 13 pins on this flex cable. On this cable, the first 13 pins starting from the left are the CKV clock signals. By covering them with this tape, we'll isolate the short circuit inside the panel on this side. This is a last resort solution to extend the life of a faulty panel. Now, let's carefully seat the flex cable back, making sure it's lined up, and then close the latch. Let's power it up and see if that fixed the problem. There we go. We have a perfect picture again. As you can see, the tape method worked perfectly. In this case, the fault was on the left side. But keep in mind, this can happen on the right side too. To find the faulty side, just unplug the ribbon cables one by one and see how the screen reacts. Now, let's put the back cover on and give it one final test. Everything seems to be working perfectly now. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you find this helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.